Welcome. This video is brought to you by Techmalia, your one-stop solution for all your IT and finance needs. We will be looking at how to use TM System Integrator version 1.0, a software that provides integration between two or more systems. So let's begin. Open your web browser and go on www.techmalia.com. Click on IT, under the Services tab. Then click on TM System Integrator. Finally, click on the Request Demo button. Fill in the required details and press the Request Demo button. The user will receive the product download link and the product demo key via an email that was provided by the user in the request form earlier. Now click on the download link. Once downloaded, double-click the TM System Integrator exe installer file and wait till the software gets installed. Click on the New Integration Window button. The New Integration Wizard screen will appear. Enter a name for your integration and click on the Next button. Enter the source database details which you have obtained from your source application database provider. Since in this demo video we are showing the integration between the end user's online sales data with its financial ERP application, where the online sales data is residing on the end user's e-commerce website. Here the end user will need to contact its e-commerce website vendor and collect the database details such as server IP, server name, also commonly known as host IP or host name, database type, database name, database user name and database password. All these details are readily available with the website vendor. Once all the relevant details are acquired, enter it into the application and click on the Next button. A list of tables that are available in the source database will appear. The user needs to select the data table, which holds its data, and then click on the Next button. This can be identified with the help of the end user's source database service provider. In this demo, the e-order table holds the online sales information, hence, that is selected. Enter the destination database details that is collected from the destination database service provider. In this demo, it is to be collected from the end user's financial ERP application development team or vendor. Once the relevant information is entered in the application, then click on the Next button. The user needs to define the scheduled time to configure the data to be exchanged between two or more systems. The end user needs to click the checkbox button if the data exchange is going to be a repetitive process. Thereafter, the end user has to configure its occurrence by selecting the interval after which the repetition needs to occur. Conversely, if the data exchange is to be conducted only once, then the end user should not click the checkbox button and should directly proceed to the next step by clicking on the Next button. In order to balance the load on the end user's server machine, the minimum time interval that can be selected is 1 minute, which means that if 1 minute is selected, then your data will be exchanged between your source database and destination database at a regular interval of every 1 minute. The end user is not required to run TM System Integrator application for the subsequent exchange of data, as that is taken care by the services working in the background. In order for the scheduling function to run smoothly, it is recommended to install this application on a machine which is running 24/7, such as a server. A summarized view of the integration policy is provided to the end user, that helps the user in locating any error made, while defining the integration policy. Post-reviewing the policy, the end user needs to click on the Next button. On successful completion, the success status message is shown. You can now coordinate with your destination database service team for checking the successful implementation of the integration. In this demo, the end user's e-commerce website database has been successfully integrated with the end user's financial ERP application database. This would enable the end user to generate the desired results such as online sales report, etc. Thank you for watching the product demo video of TM System Integrator version 1.0. This tutorial was for creating a new integration. Now for deletion of integration, kindly check our next video. For any queries you can contact us on info@techmalia.com.